Before you use GoHighLevel, I need to warn you about something important. There are a ton of people on YouTube right now teaching how to build an agency or software with high level. But here's the problem. When I look them up, most of them don't even have an agency or an AI business themselves. So they're teaching something they've never actually done before. But I'm different. I actively own a social media marketing agency that uses GoHighLevel every day. And over the last 12 months, we generated over $5 million in revenue. Let me refresh my payment processor real quick just so you can see this is legit. I do this every video because if someone on YouTube isn't showing you their real numbers, you probably shouldn't listen to them. So there it is. And that's why it annoys me when I see people taking generic advice from affiliate marketers based on theories and not real experience. I'm not saying that all of their advice is bad, but sometimes what I hear is either outdated or just common sense. So in this video, I'm gonna give you the real breakdown of what GoHighLevel actually is, how to make money with it, and what it actually takes to build a real business around it. Let me break it down. Chapter 1, what GoHighLevel actually is. All right, let's start here because there's a lot of confusion about what GoHighLevel actually is. And I think that confusion is what causes most people to either waste time or give up before they even get started. GoHighLevel is an all-in-one marketing and business management platform. Instead of paying for 10 different tools and trying to get them all to talk to each other, you have everything under one roof. Your CRM, website builder, email and SMS, social media management, sales pipelines, all of it. But here's what most videos about GoHighLevel completely miss. They'll show you every single feature one by one, and you walk away more confused than when you started. The features don't matter by themselves. What matters is how you package them into a service that solves a real problem for a real business. I'll show you exactly what I mean in the next chapter. Now, what's really changed the game recently is their AI. HighLevel has features like Ask AI, which lets you create social media posts, build outreach campaigns, analyze your business data, and even send emails on your behalf, all from one chat window. There's AI Studio that can build entire websites from a single prompt. And there's Workflow AI, Funnel AI, and Email AI on top of that. The AI side of HighLevel is honestly unlike anything I've seen in any other platform. But here's what I really need you to understand. And this is the part that nobody talks about. GoHighLevel is not a passive income business. I know there are people out there telling you to just set up an AI voice agent once and then sit back and collect passive income forever. That is absolutely made up. The setup takes work. The monitoring takes work. And if something breaks, which it will, you need to fix it or your client is going to leave. Can you make recurring revenue? Yes. I have roughly 350 clients paying about $1,000 a month. That's real recurring revenue, but it takes real work to get there and real work to maintain it. Anyone who tells you otherwise is selling you a fantasy. GoHighLevel also isn't going to make you a good marketer. Having the tools doesn't mean you know how to use them. That's like saying buying a set of professional chef's knives makes you a great cook. The knives help, but you still need to know what ingredients to use, how long to cook them, and how to plate the dish. Same thing here. The platform gives you incredible tools, but you still need to understand marketing fundamentals, client management, and how to deliver results that actually keep clients paying month after month. And GoHighLevel isn't going to get you clients. This is the biggest one. I see people spending weeks setting up their account, customizing their dashboard, building workflows for clients they don't have yet. They're playing business instead of doing business. The platform is useless without clients. And getting clients requires skills that no software can give you: sales, outreach, building relationships, and delivering real value. So now that you know what it actually is, and more importantly, what it's not, let me show you how to actually make money with it. Chapter 2, how to actually make money with GoHighLevel. If you want to make money with a platform like GoHighLevel, then you don't focus on all the various tools and features available to you. Small businesses don't care about features. They care about outcomes. They don't want a CRM. They want more leads. They don't want an email tool. They want more sales. They don't want social media management software. They want their business to look professional and stay top of mind. Now, the beauty of HighLevel is that you can blend the various features together and build an effective system. And with AI, an efficient solution for businesses. Let me give you a real example. At my agency, I built what I call a social media selling system, and it's something I set up once and now use for every single client. Here's how it works. For $500 a month, a client gets 30 daily social media image posts across 2 platforms: scheduling and publishing, automations that respond to comments and send DMs, 24-hour email and ticket support, and reports and analytics. No one-on-one meetings. Everything is handled through email and support tickets, which keeps it scalable. And the entire thing is powered by AI. Let me show you what I mean. Inside HighLevel, there's a feature called Ask AI. And the way it works is dead simple. You type one prompt and it creates everything for you. Here's an example. In a recent video, I typed this exact prompt. Create 12 Instagram post graphics for a local dental practice. Make 4 educational posts, 4 promotional posts, and 4 engaging posts. Use a clean professional style with a blue and white color scheme. Each graphic should include a bold headline and a short subtitle. That's it, one prompt. And Ask AI created all 12 graphics in about 10 minutes. Educational posts like brush smarter, not harder, with tips on proper brushing technique. Promotional posts like a teeth whitening special with a 30% off offer. Engagement posts like a dental myth versus fact graphic designed to get people commenting. Every single one looked like a professional designer made it. But the first round of graphics can always be better. So I typed a second prompt telling it to act as an elite graphic designer and enhance the designs. Make the headlines bigger and bolder, the layouts cleaner, and the colors more on brand. And it went through every post and upgraded them. Then I typed a third prompt telling it to schedule all the posts for the month. And it built a full content calendar, picked the best posting times, and scheduled everything. 3 prompts: create, enhance, schedule. That's it. But the social media selling system is more than just posts. You also set up comment to DM automations inside GoHighLevel. This is a game changer. When someone comments on your client's post, GoHighLevel can automatically send them a DM with a special offer, a lead magnet, or a booking link. So every comment on their content becomes a potential lead. You set this up once per client and it runs in the background generating leads on autopilot. And then you pair that with an AI-powered lead magnet. You use AI Studio inside GoHighLevel to create a free guide or checklist that ties into the automation. For example, for a dental practice, you might create a 5 ways to make your teeth whiter guide. When someone comments guide on a post, they automatically get a DM with the free guide plus a link to book an appointment. That's a full lead generation system built right into their social media. So now you're not just posting content for a client, you're running their entire social media engine, posts, automations, and lead generation. That's a completely different conversation than I'll make you some graphics. But here's what makes this a real business model. Each client takes about 30 to 45 minutes a month to manage once you're set up. That includes reviewing the AI output, making tweaks, scheduling, and handling revision requests. And consistent social media posts also help businesses rank on search engines, including ChatGPT. That's a huge selling point right now. At $500 a month, you don't need a massive client base to make real money. And as clients see results, you can upsell them to higher ticket services like AI video content, mascot animations, or custom designs, moving them up to $1,000 to $1,500 a month. By the way, GoHighLevel is the platform I use to run my entire agency and manage all of our clients. If you haven't tested it out before, you have to try it using the link in the description below. And if you use my link, you'll also get access to my full AI Business Blueprint course for free. Chapter 3, how to actually get clients. Here's the truth about all of this. If you're going to have a successful AI business, then you're going to need to get clients and customers. It doesn't matter how many tools you have or how many resources you've been given. If you don't take action on actually closing deals, then none of it matters. That's why in the beginning, you shouldn't focus too much on the tools at all. Honestly, if I was starting with $0, I wouldn't even sign up for GoHighLevel until I got my first client. Because the worst thing you can do is spend weeks perfecting your setup and never actually talk to a potential customer. So how do you actually get clients? 2 ways, outbound and inbound. For outbound, it's simple. Go to Google Maps and search for any service business in your area. Plumbers, dentists, tree removal companies, real estate agents, accountants. Look at their social media. If they have under 200 followers or haven't posted in weeks, that's your prospect. You'd be surprised how many businesses in 2026 either have no social media presence at all or haven't posted in months. Most of them will say yes to $500 a month because they know they need it and they've never had an affordable option. You can even use Ask AI to help with outreach. In a recent video, I typed this prompt: act as an elite Instagram strategist. Create 3 Instagram post graphics that will get high engagement for this business. And I pasted in a dental practice's website URL. Ask AI went to their actual website, pulled their real brand colors, and created 3 completely custom graphics that looked like they belonged on that business's Instagram page. Then it drafted a cold email saying, I went ahead and created 3 custom Instagram post graphics for your business, completely free, no strings attached, with the graphics attached. Think about that. A business owner who has never posted on social media gets an email with 3 professional branded graphics made specifically for their business. They didn't ask for it. They didn't pay for it. And now they're thinking about what their Instagram could look like. That is how you stand out from every other person sending generic, "Do you need help with social media?" emails. The whole process of finding the business, creating the graphics, drafting the email took less than 10 minutes. But here's the approach I think is even more powerful long term. Inbound. Start creating social media content for your own agency. The exact same service you're selling to clients, do it for yourself first. Use Ask AI to create your own posts. Build your own content calendar, show your work. Share client wins. Share behind the scenes of your process. Document what you're building in real time. This does two things. First, it makes you your own case study. When a potential client asks what results you can deliver, you point to your own social media and say, "Look, this is what I do for myself every single day." Second, it actually generates inbound leads. People see your content, they see you're consistent, they reach out to you. That's the best kind of client because they already trust you before the first conversation even happens. And when you think about it, you're basically building the system for your own agency and proving it works at the same time. That's how you go from 0 clients to your first 5, and then from 5 to 10, and then it compounds from there. Chapter 4. How to actually get started. Now here's something important that most people don't think about when they're ready to sign up. I recommend you sign up with someone who has a real agency doing something that you can relate to or have some knowledge in already. For example, if you want to start or already own a social media marketing agency, then I'm a good person to sign up under. I have the real experience, the real clients, and a free course that walks you through everything I do. But if you are someone who desperately wants to start a web design agency, then you should look for someone who actually has one. Find someone who's doing the thing you want to do, not just someone talking about it. A lot of times they will have free resources like a course or a community to join that can help you get a head start. That mentorship piece matters more than most people realize, especially early on. And even when the summer promotion ends, I believe a lot of these AI features are worth the small cost based on the massive amount of value they provide. You just have to try it out to see it for yourself. Chapter 5, what actually made the difference for me. All right, I want to close with something personal because I think it's the most important part of this entire video. When I was first starting out, I didn't have a fancy setup. I didn't have a course. I didn't have a big following, and I definitely didn't have 350 clients. What I had was a willingness to work for free. I'm serious. I would go to local businesses and offer to manage their social media for free. No contracts, no obligations. I just said, let me show you what I can do. And I did real work for real people. I created their posts. I managed their accounts. I showed up consistently. And that's what landed me my first major clients. Not a sales pitch, not a funnel, not an ad, just real results that I could point to and say, look, I did this and it worked. And that's the part that no tool or platform can replace. You have to be willing to do the work before you get paid for it. You have to be willing to prove yourself. Because when a business owner sees that you already did the work without being asked, they trust you. And trust is what turns a free trial into a $500 a month client, and a $500 a month client into a $1,000 a month client, and one client into 10. We didn't hit $400,000 a month overnight. It was built one client at a time, one relationship at a time, clients who churned because we didn't communicate well enough, campaigns that flopped because we didn't understand the niche, systems that broke because we tried to automate too much too fast. All of that taught me way more than any YouTube video ever could. So if you're watching this and you're on the fence, here's what I'd tell you. Don't wait until everything is perfect. Don't wait until you've watched 50 more videos. Go find one business that needs help with their social media. Offer to do it for free for 30 days. Use Ask AI to create their posts. Show them what's possible and let the results speak for themselves. That's how I started. And the tools today are 1,000 times better than what I had. If you want to follow the same path, everything I use and everything I teach is available through the link in the description. Now, coming up next, I have a brand new GoHighLevel tutorial where I walk you through the most important features in the platform, step by step. So check that out if you haven't already, and I'll see you over there.